Madrid Valladolid high-speed line, Thales Transport, Signaling and Security Solutions. In December 2003 and March 2006, Adif, Spain's railway infrastructure manager, trusted again in Thales Transport Signaling and Security Solutions as part of the Adif joint venture to install the signaling system with automatic train control for the Segovia-Valladolid and Madrid-Segovia railway sections, which form the high-speed line Madrid Valladolid that was inaugurated on December the 22nd, 2007. It comprises a route of 180 kilometers with double track of international gauge linking Madrid with the Castilian cities of Segovia and Valladolid. A journey taking more than 2.5 hours in the past now takes less than an hour. Today it is already a fact, the time saving and the increase in number of trains linking the north of Spain. In this project, Thales has been responsible for the design, installation, put into service and maintenance for the European Train Control System ETCS Level 1 and Level 2, power supply for the safety installations and other technologies, detectors of falling objects onto the track, electronic axle counters and tunnels, viaducts and axle gauge changeover, wheel detectors and turnouts, fixed telecommunications system, technical buildings. The journey starts at Madrid Chamartín station, the hub of railway communications in the north of Madrid. In the first section of the line, a 73-kilometer stretch between Madrid and Segovia, we reach in just a few minutes the San Pedro Tunnel, 8.8 kilometers in length. Next, in Soto del Real, we cross the viaduct of Arroyo del Valle, a 1,755-meter-long infrastructure with a maximum height of 80 meters. Further along the route, we approach the tunnels of Sierra de Guadarrama. With more than 28 kilometers in length, the twin tunnels are the 5th longest in the world. In just 34 minutes, we arrive at the only stop of the route, Segovia City. Its new station has 6 international gauge tracks, 4 of them for parking and the other 2, the outermost, for direct transits. The station is also equipped with a Control and Regulation Center, CRC. The second section of the line covers 107 kilometers between Segovia and Valladolid. In this section, Olmedo City will be the connection point with the upcoming high-speed line already under construction, which will reach Galicia. In Valdestillas, we have a dual axle gauge changeover that connects the high-speed line Madrid-Valladolid with the Madrid-Irún high-speed line. We arrive at our destination, Valladolid, which has become one of the key points of the Spanish railway infrastructure. The Alvia trains arriving at Campo Grande station are able to continue their journey to Cantabria, Asturias and the País Vasco thanks to the axle gauge changeovers, with a significant reduction in the journey time. The main priority is to guarantee the safety in railway traffic. Thereby, Thales has installed the ERTMS ETCS system Level 1 and 2 to ensure train control and supervision along the 180 kilometers of double track of line. ERTMS ETCS system. This system is the European standard system for rail traffic management. The new ETCS technology for train control and supervision increases the frequency and speed while increasing the safety and enabling in addition the train's transborder interoperability. ETCS Level 1. Through an intermittent communication system between the track equipments and trains, continuous supervision of their movements along the whole route is established. The communication is based on the balises or beacons installed along the track, providing the necessary information in the train cabin, and advance warning of potential problems and managing the train's traffic with complete safety. ETCS Level 2. This is the next step in the ETCS functionality, adding continuous and bidirectional communication between the radio block center, RBC, and the trains through the GSM-R radio system. The RBC, in communication with the interlockings and the trains, transmits the different messages and movement authorities. The system enables that the control and supervision of the train's movements is made with more accuracy than in Level 1, reaching higher speed and frequency. This is the main operation system, with the Level 1 acting as backup in case of failure. For this project, Thales has built along the track 11 technical buildings and 9 tunnel equipment boxes. All the buildings are equipped with video monitoring and access control. Energy. Thales is responsible for the power supply along the whole line, both for its technologies as well as for the ones supplied by other companies. Detectors of falling objects onto the track. 39 installations for detection of falling objects onto the track in overpasses and tunnel entrances have been made. They assure that any object interfering the train's route is immediately detected and communicated to the control center. Sensors. To ensure control along the train's route, Thales supplies a detection system based on wheel electronic sensors to be able to run over the turnouts at a speed of 220 kilometers per hour. Axle counters. For track gauge changeovers and viaducts, Thales has designed an electronic axle counter system to ensure the safe transit of all the train's elements through the changeovers. Thales is also responsible for the maintenance of all the safety installations of the line. Moving into the soundless depths of the mountains, in respectful silence. Above the earth, touching the sky. In perfect harmony with the environment. A new communication route with north and northwestern Spain, boosting economic development. A fast and safe journey thanks to the advanced signaling systems from Thales. Thales, specialists in railway signaling solutions.